Today, I spent 20 minutes replicating this website worth $8.37 million. Upload an image. Remove the background of the image. The tool used is Windsurf. First, let's install it by opening the Codium.com website, which is developed by Codium. Then click on Explorer Windows Serve. Let's take a look at all the downloaded options. It supports Mac, Linux, and Windows operating systems. We'll download the Windows version here and double-click the downloaded installation file. This completes the installation. Let's take a look at the remove.bg website. It is the best AI tool for removing image backgrounds, currently valued at about $8.73 million. Alright, next we will replicate this website. First, let's create a new project directory called myRemoveBG. Then open this directory in Windows Server. I asked, can I upload a screenshot? And then you generate a website based on this screenshot. He said yes. You can upload a screenshot and just store it in the project directory. Alright, this is the screenshot of the website. Now we can see that the file of this screenshot has appeared in the project directory, so we ask him to generate an identical website. And when a user uploads an image, it will call the API to remove the background of that image. Then I told him that I would give you an example code for the API later, but for now, please generate this website. We can see that there is an Open Diff button for modifying the code, which means it can highlight the modified parts. This makes code review more convenient. We see that it needs to install some Python dependencies here. We click Accept, and it will automatically call the terminal program to help you install. The feature that makes Windsurf more powerful than Cursor is that it can interact directly with the local backend without requiring you to manually execute terminal programs. Next, it will start this Python server. Next, let's preview this website. This is the website it generated, but it doesn't look like the screenshot we uploaded. So here I prompt it to generate an identical website based on the screenshot I uploaded, including the title menu, all the text and images, etc. Oh, okay. Let's look at the prompt here. It says, I'm sorry. I can't directly view this image file. You need to describe what content is in this screenshot. Okay. I want to confirm if there are any other ways for you to see this image file. He said, unfortunately, I can't directly view or analyze image files. He said the tools I can use are mainly text files and code files, so he asks you to describe this web page in words. Okay, then I will describe this web page in words. For example, what is at the top and left of the page? In the middle is a menu. In the center of the page is Upload Image to remove the background, and so on. Okay, next it will regenerate this page based on our text description. Alright, in this way it has been generated. See that the page it generated is very similar to the official remove.b. Next, we will let it add the functionality to call the API to remove image backgrounds. There are many APIs available for removing image backgrounds. Since we copied the remove.bg website, we will use its API to generate an API key. Let's give this API key a name. Alright, this is the generated API key, and we will save it. Okay, next we will send the API key to Windsurf. Find another piece of particle code to send to him. The background of this image has been successfully removed. Now, we will use Cursor to generate a similar website, and we will compare Cursor and Windsurf, looking at their respective advantages and disadvantages. Similarly, we will first generate a project directory for Cursor. Then, we will open this newly generated directory in Cursor. Next, we will talk about sending screenshots from the remove.bg website to Cursor. Then tell it to generate an identical website based on this screenshot image. It is currently generating. It asks us to upload this logo image file and 4 particle images. Well, next we will ask it how to run. It prompts you to run a Python proxy server. Start the server. Then open the web page. Oh, okay, the web page is ready. Now let's implement the API calling. Functionality. Similarly, send him the API key and example code. Restart the server. Oh, okay, there are absolutely no problems. And this website will be ready soon. Okay, through this comparison, we can see that Windows can interact with the local terminal. It can directly call the terminal to execute these commands, while Cursor needs to execute these commands manually. However, Windsurf does not support uploading screenshots, then analyzing images to generate websites based on those images. In this regard, Cursor is relatively stronger. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.